My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something, call it profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be watching conscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. And I'm on it, single launch quick, and I'm on it. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the line. Moving under my prime, just quit my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping these top 10s, I'm so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live and die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the ride. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block that I'm toxic. Spitting logic, think I'm nauseous. Honest, then I stopped it. Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, better back, making racks where it's at. And I'm back to the mess. I'm back, that's a fact. I'm back in a pack. So we back, so we back. Think I'm black, fucking back. Well, I'm back, then I'm back. Going down, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the best. Gotta play it better than both brands. Cause I'm in the zone and you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't feel I'm waiting till I choose. Here I go. All these people wanna know that you think they're gonna play with. Do you really love me? Do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Kim bieg, Kim więcej, o! Ani! Kim bieg, Kim! Den mörder och negar er!
All this fake shit.